So 9 mistakes people make when selling their house. So if you're thinking of selling your house, you really need to watch this video here. We're going to talk about the first two, although I got to tell you, we're going to start with number two because number two should be number one. You need to work with the right real estate agent. If you're not working with the right real estate agent, you're either chancing this with luck or you're going to have a really hard time. What dictates or what makes a real estate agent good? Well, there's a list of questions I have that you should ask them. Feel free to message me. I'd be happy to send them to you. But you want an agent that's going to tell you the truth, that knows the market, and that can tell you how to price your house based on evidence on what's going on in the market versus, and I'm sorry to say this, not what you think the house should be valued at. If you are pricing your house, which we're going to lead into number one here, over where the current market is suggesting, your house is going to sit. And let's put yourself in a buyer's shoes. Let's say you walk into a house that is absolutely beautiful. You fall in love with it, but then you notice it's been sitting for 60 days. What's the first thing that's going to come across your mind? God, what's wrong with this house? And you're going to be hesitant. So you want your house to move. Otherwise, it's creating traction for the buyers, not for you. So reach out. And by the way, if we work with the absolute best real estate agents, if you need a referral, let me know. I'd be happy to introduce you to one of the best agents out there that's going to tell you what you need to price your house at, that's going to market it, that's going to reach out to their network to see if there's any buyers off market or all that great stuff. And they're going to get it sold better than anybody else. Number two, what is number two here? Oh, no, there's no number two. Oh yeah, there is. If you need a great lender, I would love to chat with you. Hope this video helps you.